In this video, I will show you how to calculate the running total in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some amount numbers in this column. Now I want to calculate the running total of these amounts on each row in this column. A running total is a cumulative total of the numbers up to that particular point. For example, in the first row, the running total will be the same as the first number, which is 60. For the second row, the running total will be the total of the first two numbers, 60 plus 40, that is 100. Similarly, for the third row, the running total will be 60 plus 40 plus 30, which is 130, and so on. The starting point of the running total is always the first cell, and the ending point of the running total is the current row number that keeps on increasing. We can use the Excel sum function to calculate the running total. Type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Type sum followed by an opening bracket. We need to provide a range of cells we want to sum as an argument. Since the starting point is always the first row, I will select the cell containing the first number. Now type a colon and then select the current row, that is the first row is the ending point of the range. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's drag the formula to the second cell. As you can see, Excel has automatically increased the start and end points of the range by 1. We do not want to do that. We want to have a fixed starting point, that is the first cell in the range. To fix this, I will edit the formula and make the first cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this. Now let's drag the formula again to copy it to other cells. As you can see, now only the ending point of the range is increased by 1 for each row, while the starting point remained the same for all the rows, and that correctly calculated the monthly running total. There is another way to calculate the running total by month. Instead of adding all numbers from the first cell to the current cell, we can also add the current number to the last sum to calculate the running total for the current row. For example, for the second row, if we add the current number of 40 to the last sum of 60, we get the current total, that is 100. Similarly, if we add 30 to the previous row's total of 100, we get the current running total, that is 130. Again, I am going to use the sum function to implement that. To do that, I am going to select the first number as the first argument of the sum function. Now, we need to add the previous total to this number. But since this is the first row, we do not have any total yet. So, I will select this heading cell of the running total column as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, the sum function is smart enough to ignore the text value and returns the same number back. We now have the running total for the first row. Let's drag the formula to other cells as well. Excel has incremented both the argument references by 1 for each row such that it adds the current number to the previous total. As you can see, we now have the monthly running total for all the rows. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.